Have you ever struggled with cooking the perfect BBQ? Meet the game changer that will transform your grilling experience forever. The Chef IQ Thermometer is an innovative device that makes cooking foolproof, ensuring delicious results every time. This smart thermometer is paired with an app that acts like your personal cooking assistant. You simply input all the necessary information and the app takes care of the rest. It calculates cooking times and provides audio cues, making it nearly impossible to mess up your meal. Let's take a look at how it works. Last night I cooked some pork chops. First, I selected meat in the app. Then I was prompted to specify the type of meat. I chose pork, which led me to choose chops. Next, I specified the exact type of chop, rib chop with a thickness of 1 inch. Now I selected the cooking method, grilling. Then the app asked how I wanted my pork done. I opted for medium, which is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. The app advised me to remove the pork at 155 to achieve the perfect 160. The total cooking time was calculated at 40 minutes. This included 15 minutes to preheat, 20 minutes to cook, and 5 minutes to let the meat rest. After inserting the probe into the meat and placing it on the grill, I was met with a visual display of both the internal meat temperature and BBQ temp. The app provided a marker for flipping the meat, along with alerts for when to remove it from heat. Once the meat was off the grill, I started a countdown timer for the resting period. The Chef IQ Thermometer truly makes cooking error-proof and is a significant upgrade from traditional methods. I was so impressed that I bought an additional probe. This allows me to monitor 2 different items, ensuring both can be cooked to different doneness levels. While there is only one complaint, the probes can only charge 1 at a time. It's a minor issue compared to the overall benefits. You can store 3 probes in the case, but if you haven't used one for a while, allow about 10-15 minutes for charging before use. Overall, the Chef IQ Thermometer is a fantastic addition to any BBQ toolkit. You can record individual settings for each probe, and the app remembers past cooks. This means you can easily replicate successful recipes in the future. Don't miss out on simplifying your BBQ cooking experience. Try the Chef IQ Thermometer and revolutionize the way you grill.